Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend resting and staying safe. And I hope that you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week, we're going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these reading strategies to help you, but the ones I really want you to focus on are your eagle eyes and your stretchy snake. Remember, your eagle eyes are the ones where you look at pictures in the book to help for clues with the word. The second one is stretchy snake, and that is when we look at our letters in a word and we stretch out the sounds. Then we go back slowly and put the sounds together. Let's just have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Sleep. S-l-e-p. You have a go for me? Lovely, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Sleep. S-l-e-p. Good job. The book that we're going to be reading this week is called A Dog's Day. Let's go and have a read. Girls, this is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl, and we all have access to this now. A Dog's Day. This is Pip. Hello, Pip. Pip is a busy dog. Pip has her food. Shh. Then she has a sleep. Pip runs with a ball. Then she has a sleep. Jump, Pip. Pip jumps in the pond. Then she has a sleep. Pip has a wash. Then she has a sleep. Pip has a drink. Then she has a sleep. It's been a busy day. What does Pip do? Pip has her food. She runs with a ball. She jumps in the pond. She has a wash. She has a drink, and she sleeps a lot. Now that I've finished the book, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video, or down here on Oxford Owl is an audio button where you can record it, where you can press it, and Oxford Owl will read the story to you. So, boys and girls, you should have been finished with your book by now and on to your Kahoot. You can access Kahoot through Google by typing kahoot.it into the search bar, or it can be downloaded from the App Store. Your first Kahoot pin is 091691148. Let's have a look. So here is what your quiz will look like. To join the game, you need to enter your name, press OK Go, then complete the quiz. Once you have completed it, please send me or your class teacher a photo so that we know you have completed the quiz. Enjoy and have fun.